The purpose of this video is to provide an orientation to Algebra 2 Pre-Calculus. We will go through a number of different topics throughout this course. We will talk about inequalities, polynomial expressions, complex numbers, functions, exponents, trigonometry, piecewise functions, rational expressions, rational functions, problem solving and data analysis, conic sections, and logarithms. We will also focus on prepping for college entrance exams such as the SAT. Throughout this video, I will talk about rules and expectations for the course, also virtual classroom rules, and the remote learning schedule. The materials that are required for this class include a pencil or other writing utensil, an electronic device, a stylus is highly recommended for use in OneNote, a binder for just math, and a calculator. We will follow the grading scale in your Lincoln Way handbook. Semester grade weights, 80% will be based on semester work and 20% will be based on the semester exam. Semester coursework categories, they'll be divided into two parts. 60% of your grade will be based on assessments and 40% will be based on practice. Coming in for extra help is highly recommended. During remote learning, I will be available from 11:45 to 12:15 for appointments. I can also meet with you or send a video for extra help. At other times, you just need to reach out. When we are scheduled for in-person learning, I will be available from 7:15 to 8 a.m. and 2:37 to 3 o'clock p.m. Again, other times by appointment. During remote learning, you are to join the class through WebEx. This will be available as a link through Teams. You will complete warm-ups and review homework at the beginning. We will take notes while learning new content. You will complete an activity or begin homework if there is time. And usually at the end of class, I will have you complete an exit slip so that I can assess your understanding. If you have extra time, you can always work on a long-term assignment like the ones that we will have in Delta Math, which I will talk about later. You are expected to remain connected and active throughout the entire session, and that will be 1 hour every other school day. For in-person learning, the directions will be very similar to what we will have when we are doing virtual learning. Differences will include that upon entering the class, you need to move directly to your assigned seat. Also, at the end of class, you will be provided with a sanitizing wipe to thoroughly clean your desk, and you will remain in your assigned seat until the bell rings. Then, as you're exiting the class, you will dispose of your sanitizing wipe. Assessments will be administered throughout and at the end of each unit. Calculators will not always be allowed. Makeup work is the responsibility of each student. Absent students are responsible for obtaining those notes from the day they were absent from OneNote, and videos of all new content will be posted for reference in Teams. Cheating will not be tolerated. Remember that your understanding and success in this class depends on your work ethic. Do not use applications that will give you the answers to your homework assignments. The use of assistive devices such as cell phones and smartwatches for testing purposes is not allowed. Homework assignments will be given in a few different forms. Most often, you will work in a packet, and those worksheets should be submitted through Teams. The following point values will be assigned to each worksheet. 5 points if the entire assignment is complete and submitted on time. 3 points if the assignment is complete but it is submitted late. And 0 points if the assignment is not complete. Delta Math assignments will be completed online and they will be graded for accuracy. The following point values will be assigned for Delta Math homework assignments. 5 points if you complete and earn 100% on time. 3 points if you earn 100% but the assessment is submitted between 1 and 7 days late. And 0 points if you do not complete the assignment or if you submit it more than 7 days late. You can expect that we will use video conferencing software to facilitate remote instruction and meetings. Privacy of learning is expected. When your teacher is presenting, live streaming, or conferencing, it is expected that the learning experience is private and cannot be shared, videotaped, or screenshot. Parents and students also need to remember that it is illegal to record teachers' lesson or use pre-recorded lessons in any way other than the intended purposes. The expectations for the virtual classroom is that you are on time, present, and respectful. You should sit upright and maintain eye contact. Use your name when you're logging in for proper attendance taking. You need to turn on the camera and sound. make and leave your face visible. It's up to you, but I would recommend that you turn on the gallery view. You should stay in one place and face the camera, and you should actively listen and respond to your teacher and classmates throughout the session. You should enter the virtual classroom quietly. So while you will want to turn on the volume so that you can hear me and any other classmates, you will want to mute yourself. You should avoid high traffic areas in your house, and you should wear headphones to limit background noise and distractions. Please silence your cell phone and other electronics. You will also want to free your space of distractions. Close all extra tabs on your computer that will not be used for class during the live session. You should also select an appropriate location for your live meeting. Please remember to follow school policies for dress and behavior throughout the session. Wear appropriate attire, eat before class, do not use your phone to text during the session, and do not record any part of the lesson. Remember that all Lincoln Way Handbook rules are in effect during the live class. The remote learning schedule has been released by the district, and we will follow the schedule. So whichever class period you have with me, that is when we will meet through Teams and WebEx. You can also see that we rotate between A and B days. It is not that every Monday is an A day and every Tuesday is a B day. It does rotate. So keep an eye on that schedule.